Hi everybody, Mark Ingalls, Ingalls Jewelry Company. This is a limited edition Promaster. It is the Tsuno Chrono Racer. It is a limited edition with a chronograph, alarm function, tachometer, and it features the bullhead design where the pushers are up by the 12 and the 6, not at the 3 and the 9. So right now you can see the limited edition card. It is number 808 out of 1973, so it is a small run limited edition. Open the box here, you see a green dial with yellow markers for the sub hands and a white markers for the hour and minute hand. This is an instantaneous flyback chronograph, so as soon as you stop the watch and reset it, that chronograph hand snaps right back to the 12 position. You'll watch me do that a couple times. Does have the date wheel. You can see that at kind of that 1 o'clock position. So it has 4 subdials. At the 3 o'clock position is the seconds for the watch. At the 12 o'clock position is the minutes for the chronograph. The 6 o'clock position is the hour for the chronograph. And at the 9 o'clock position is the power reserve meter on the watch. If the hand gets down to that lower spot, then it needs to be charged. Like I said, it has the alarm function. You can see that alarm hand going up and down right now. If, say, you wanted 2:30, you would put it in the middle of 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock, and you push the button for on and off. You pull it out one click and spin it to set it. Like, again, this is a nice view of that bullhead design. It is a thicker design, bigger meteor watch. However, again, it is that Citizen Super Titanium, so it's extremely light watch for its size. You don't really feel it. You can see that base titanium right on the band as well as the case. If you can read on that case back, it says number 808 out of 1973. Water resistant 200 meter, like all other ProMasters. Sapphire crystal as well. Again, this is a handmade movement. They don't do mini watches with the handmade movement. You can see these nice bezel cuts in the watch case right there. Again, with that satin finished titanium. Again, lightweight. I'll put it on for you here. I'm not the tallest guy. My wrists aren't that great, big in size, but it is a bit bigger of a watch. Again, you don't feel how heavy it is because it is all titanium. It's a really nice looking watch, a really nice feel. I wore it for a day. I really enjoyed this watch. This was probably one of the watches that I enjoyed most from Citizen. I think it'd be cool if everybody could comment on which Citizen was either their favorite or maybe the first Citizen they bought. Because usually, you don't just have one Citizen watch, you have multiple because they're fantastic watches. You never have problems with them. All got that 5-year warranty. Echo drives you never have an issue with. Here's another look at it in the box. I'll put the card back in there here pretty soon too. Again, all titanium, chronograph, alarm function, date wheel, tachometer, bullhead design, number 808 out of 1973. This is a pretty cool watch from Citizen. I was really happy to see this. Thanks, guys. Mark Ingalls, Ingalls Jewelry Company, inglesjewelryco.com. Thanks. Bye.